Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mail Time episode 1. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at what we have on the inside of this package. This is my second mail package for this year. The first one being the Manekineko series. If you guys haven't watched the review, do check out the video in my channel. I'll leave the link up here. So although I know exactly what I'm going to get inside here, I bought this online and you never know what other surprises it may have in store. So fingers crossed, everything is as good as it looked in the website. Let's see. All right, this is just some padding. There's nothing much in there. Oh, there you go. The first one. Right. This was something that I was really looking forward to. It's the DW8300 Stargate. Wow, just look at that. It was advertised as literally brand new. I was talking to the seller. He sent me a few videos, close-up pictures. Looks amazing. Let's see if everything works. The beep still strong. That's good. Let's look at the light. Ah, perfect. There is no sign of usage as well. No scratches. Literally, this is the best looking one that I've seen so far. This is a good buy. All right. Let's put that aside. Now I already have my worry on this one. Well, one of it is supposed to be the DW6900 Rising Red Anniversary Edition, and that should come in a tin can, not a box. So let's see. Okay, so this is 50th birth anniversary. Let's see what we get inside. Oh, this one is a collaboration for Tetsujin 28, or translated roughly Ironman 28. It's a comic book series character. I believe this watch was released in 2007. Again, this one looks really good as well. It's module 1289 DW6900 FS. I'm going to look this up. All right, let's move on to the next one. This was something that I was really anticipating. The box is pretty disappointing though. All right, let's see what box is this. DW6930C. It is still a 30th anniversary box, so that's one thing. Let's see what we get on the inside. Wow. Wow. This still has got the price tag on it. 30th anniversary Rising Red. So you can see over here. It's pretty much flawless. There is no signs of usage at all. Let's open it up. Just look at that, 30th anniversary. Right, let's check the beep. Okay, working fine. Let's check the light. This does not work, so most likely the battery is out and I have to get the battery replaced. I didn't check the previous one. How about the beep on this one? This is good. The light is working fine as well. Alright, so these are the 3 watches that I got. It was really a good bargain. I found it on a marketplace online in Japan, and I'm going to have a closer look at it, see what I'm going to do with it. If you would like me to have a closer look at any of these watches, do let me know in the comments, and we'll see you again in another video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.